So yes, the new office is definitely great, I would say. I mean, just look at the infrastructure; it's all new compared to our previous office, and definitely easy to commute here as well because of the metro access that we have over here. And we have good cafeteria, so that's a good thing.
Well, my name is Gyan Ranjan. So today is like the first day in our new office location. So it's like the location is good, and the office space is like it's spacious, and yeah, it's like a beautiful office.
I like this new office. Reason is that it's one of the dream to shift a corporate kind of office, and finally we did it. And it's spacious. We have so many places for collaboration. Nice cafeteria, nice tea machine. All good things are there.
So, from Suryaday to HP's new location, a great experience, easy to commute, all on one floor, a great experience. Thank you.
It's been a great location. The office space is really nice, and get everybody sitting on one floor. The ambience is good, and a lot of interactions with people, team. It's happy to be with the team and making sure we understand the overall growth and the company where we are doing. That's great.